Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step-by-step process how we can easily add currency pairs to your watch list on Tradingview. So when you're going to be here in Tradingview, what you want to do is just simply write in search, let's say USD. And then you go to Forex, and you're going to have like all the currency pairs that you want here. And you can go also Euro, USD. Then just like click on whatever, like this one, and it's going to directly create market for you, like show you the market. That's better wording. Then what you want to do is go to top right, and what you can do is right click here, add to watch list Euro USD, and then you can like simply move it where you want, or like create a also chart, or add a symbol section, whatever. So that's pretty much it, and this is how we can do it and how we can add currency pairs to watch list. So again, you right click here and add a watch list your USD. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.